What the deal, everybody? Your Southern Urban Voice here. I am too rich to miss. As FTX files bankruptcy and as fear, uncertainty, and doubt grip the crypto space, it's very important that you take the time to really analyze where you are and pause and do a few things to insulate yourself. Number one, develop a skill. One of the easiest ways to really be able to survive this bear market and be profitable is the code. It is what it is. Number three, prepare for financial collapse. One of the best things that you can do is have a peace of mind that your family is good. That way you can seize opportunities. And this kind of goes into what I was just saying. Survival first. Look at all the different ways where you can cut your expenses and reduce your outflow. That way you can have more money to invest into the market. And also, for all of you degens out there, Kucoin exchange has the widest selection of the low cap altcoins. I am too rich to miss.